Yo, attention all you funnel hackers, guys. I'm so happy to say that Funnel Hacker Labs is finally ready, guys. It's crazy. Long story short, guys, you know how it is. All right, we increased from 200 different funnel templates to over 300 different funnel templates in over 60 different niches, because we can't really think of any more niches. So if you have any more niches in mind, comment down below. In addition to that, we all know that we have the fantastic ClickFunnels tool, the little Chrome extension that's allowed you to clone any ClickFunnels landing page and paste in your editor. We are working on making that accessible to Go High Level 2, so you can clone any Go High Level template and paste into your editor as well. We're working on that. Give us some time. It requires a lot more coding. But what I'm trying to say is, currently what you get for $67 a month, yeah, we changed the price. For what you get for $67 a month is you get access to those 300 different landing page templates, guys, and that funnel cloner tool. So no longer are those days. Gone are those days where you're spending time making landing pages, where you're hiring someone for anywhere between $1,500 to $3,000 just to make a couple of landing pages for your funnel for your clients, guys. All attention, all you marketing agencies, I got something crazy for you. This entire membership, guys, is your solution. We're gonna save you time, save you money, and overall, guys, you're gonna love what we have available. So make sure you check out the link down below. Excuse me. In addition to that, we have a couple of other bonuses. Yo, Blair, what are the bonuses? Well, let me talk about it right now. So what we also have, in addition to those over 300 different landing page templates, what we also have are white label videos. We have around 100 different white label videos in a multiple different niches, so you can help you bring your ads to the next level. We have unbranded, uncopyrighted music that you can use for your ads as well. And we have over, I think it's 300 different stock photos that you can use on your ads as well. So pretty much, we have a marketing agency in a box. Click the link down below, and let's get you started. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.